Use a young rooster or a tender chicken for the best flavor and tenderness. Marinate the chicken in red wine overnight to help tenderize it and add flavor. Sear the chicken in a hot pan until it's browned on all sides to create a delicious crust. Sauté aromatic vegetables such as onion, carrot, and celery in the same pan to build flavor. Deglaze the pan with red wine and add chicken broth to create a rich, flavorful sauce. Return the chicken to the pan, along with any additional ingredients such as bacon, mushrooms, and garlic. Simmer the coq au vin until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thick and flavorful. Serve the coq au vin with crusty bread or over egg noodles or mashed potatoes to soak up the delicious sauce. Consider adding herbs such as thyme or rosemary to the dish for extra flavor. For an authentic touch, use a traditional Burgundy wine for the marinade and cooking sauce.